Hello, everybody. This is an exclusive reading for next 3 months, that is starting from December. So, this is the 3 months December, January, February reading for India, Indian politics, and Indian public. So, the first pile of cards are for December 2020. How is it going to be for India? I simply don't know why. While watching a movie yesterday, I had a thought that I should go ahead with this reading. So I followed that calling and I did not ignore it because I strongly believe that it is very important to listen to the inner voice. So I'm sure there are a lot of patriotic people out there, and I hope this video reaches out to you. So, all right. So I have already drawn these cards, and I've done extensive reading so that I can actually tell you what is it up to for India, Indian politics, Indian public. So the first set of cards are Justice, followed by Page of Water, Four of Air, and this was a jumper card for Four of Earth. So December 2020 seems to be kind of a good month, basically. I would say there are two master numbers, 11 and 4 if you see. So these two numbers are ruling. So basically 11 and 44, it actually means that you need to really believe in your own self, maintain that positivity, strength and creativity, which is necessary during this recessionary period. So Indian public, Indian politics needs to maintain that I would say positivity and creativity. So that is first aspect. All right. So the anchor card for this month for India overall is justice. So justice is basically a card. It is a Libran card. So Libra is all about diplomatism. It is about um, foreign policies and maintaining a balance and maintaining that relationship and not really troubling your relationship with the other countries, not really applying that diplomacy in each and every aspect of government and Indian politics. So whether it is UN matter or some other legal contracts or foreign matters. So basically, it is this card basically is a major arcana, and it actually with 11 it actually suggests that there is balancing of two opposing aspects in government or within the foreign matters of government. Followed by Page of Water. This gives a very good sign in terms of healing. We all need a kind of a break from this corona thing, right? So I believe there is some term in terms of corona, there will be some healing this month. Obviously not completely, but it will be a good month in terms of it should be a good month in terms of innovation, because I have done the reading for all the 3 months, and collectively if I say the healing has already started for the masses. Things are really stirring up. We and we are on the path of really finding a newer version of India. So yeah, for December, I would say the healing thing this month is kind of a healing, a bit of slowing down of that upheaval of Corona and all that. Moving on to this card further, Four of Air, it further says that this is not the month of, creating upheavals for your own self or, taking some big actions. So India needs to keep quiet. Keep quiet as in it doesn't mean that, not in that sense of taking every shit from everywhere. The whole idea is this is a month of going inside and working internally. On a serious note, the overall reading for all the 3 months also includes really going inside and working on the internal matters more rather than the external matters. So India will have to practice patience and work towards economic security, working internally so that our foundation, our security, our foreign policies can be further strengthened, economy wise also. So this month is going to be a healing month, but this healing is gradually coming. Okay, so on further clarification, I had drawn these three cards. So it is these three cards actually are talking about, we are in a very bad phase in terms of, we're kind of moving, like we do not have jobs, health matters, and a lot of insecurities around. But this month is actually guaranteeing the fact that we are moving at least from winter to spring. So that's a very good uh, sign. Also, it is a gradual process, as I told you, and it will be a complete rebirth. So, we are actually moving towards rebirth. Whatever wrong had to happen has happened. And it's time for rebirth, it's time for transformation. We all have learned our lessons. So, that's a very good thing. On further clarification with another oracle card, uh, this particular thing, Jwal Khul, which is dharma unfolding. So basically, major medical improvements or innovations are there. There will be a great leap and bound towards it, though it will be happening internally. Not a lot of public advertisements will be done for that matter, but no, for the Indian public, it's very important to know that this is going on internally. It's time for reviewing, review by the government, review by the higher organization, the organization like banks, highly profit making companies, non-financial financial organizations, all these institutions, the bigger ones, they need to take a review of their inventories, of their actions, whatever they have learned during this complete whole year of recession, kind of a recession. So yeah, that's basically for the month of December. So coming on to the month of January. Now this is something very important, friends, to know is we have these four cards: Judgment, Six of Pentacles, Moon, and then Three of Swords. So it is quite this month. January 2021 is going to be a month of exhaustion. It is going to be a month of heartbreaks. It is going to be a month of a confusion, a lot of confusion. Which way to go? Did we take the right decision? Did we choose the right government? Did we, even the government will be in a phase that did we take this right decision? So it is an overall thing. It may apply, it may not apply to higher organizations, but there will be tons of confusion. So this is what January is bringing. A lot of a lot of secrets will be out. It won't be exactly out. There will be a lot of illusions and non-clarity on bureaucratic matters. There will be things that people would want to know, that we want to know about this particular thing, we want to know about that thing, but there will be a lot of heartbreaks and confusions and kind of loss of confidence on decision making. So that is why I think in December month, all the organizations were taking an inventory, and reviewing is very important, so that during this phase, it is a collective phase. It is not specifically meant for some organization or specifically for the ruling government or whatever. It is basically a month wherein judgment is happening. It is a month wherein all those matters that were underneath, they will be unearthed. All the secret matters will be unearthed, and that will create confusions. What is right, what is wrong, whom to listen, whom not to listen. That kind of an unrest will be there in the public. Okay. On further clarification, again, I got these three cards. So they were again cards of exhaustion, suppression, but it was also coming along with abundance. So, there will be movements, forward movements in terms of maybe new apps coming up, being really being resourceful. Somehow, since our economy is facing so much of kind of a dip, so it's very important. We all know that we are trying to become Atmanirbhar and Digital India, a lot of such things, Indian made apps. The government is trying to promote, but and yeah, that is what is called being resourceful. Okay, so really finding out ways to curb this kind of unrest in the public. The government will be trying, and the higher organizations or even your banks, they will be going ahead with pleasing you with maybe dividend or something. um, there will be a shift in government's approach, from healing that corona thing that we saw in December reading. There will be a shift in really making public happy, because the underlying factor in January is about unrest, is about tell us the truth. So one side, that unrest is there, the other side, these organizations, government, and public, all these public organizations, they'll be practicing this approach of comforting the public in some or the other way. So yeah, so December is basically healing yourself, and really going underground and taking inventory. And January is a month of unrest, because suddenly there will be something will be coming. Something will, like, somebody would be trying to find out, we'll be trying to bring up some hidden matters or secrets of government. Okay, so that is for January. Also, it was, I further confirmed from my oracle card. It was also trying to say that that there can be, it is time to think really good. In December also, we were talking about 1144. So 1144 is a very divine number. If you want to search it in the Google, it also talks about creativity and positive thinking nice, speaking good words and all that. So this card itself talks about that your thoughts are really magnetic. So if you really need this suppression and the exhaustion that we are seeing here is not the suppression in terms of suppression of your abilities. It is actually suppression which will come out in the form of anger, in form of insecurity, in really doubting yourself. Okay, and this is what this card is trying to say, that stay positive. Okay, um, coming on to February. So February, okay, December was the month of knowing and healing and all that. January was unrest month of secrecy and all that. Um, February gives you a breather. So February again, justice rules. So diplomacy will come into play, because here itself, when this unrest is there, the government is anyways planning to do something good for the public. Especially in the matters of employment, economic matters, financial matters of public, taxes maybe. So yeah, so there will be a forward movement also in terms of foreign policies, I believe. This is what I am seeing. So maybe there will be some visa, foreign policies, as well as your visa is also something that I'm listening. Maybe those laws will be little easier to get through immigration and all that. So the job opportunities and some bit of forward movement in terms of foreign policies, and going out, working abroad. getting employment and creation of employment, loans from the bank or something of that sort, because it is an ace. Ace is a very powerful card, along with justice. So justice is a card of it's again a Libra card. We got it in the month of December. So I believe during this quarter of December, January, and February, diplomacy is ruling. On individual level also, I believe these things are very important for you to know, that in December you need to really take an inventory of whatever you've learned during this year, and what you should do and what you should not be doing in the coming year. January may be a kind of a month of upheaval for you, maybe. I'm not very sure about the personal matters, because this whole reading was actually for India as a whole, Indian public as a whole, the Indian bureaucracy, political, economic, and foreign policies. So, and in February, you'll see, that movement towards money, going abroad, finding economic, financial opportunities. This was yet another. This was further confirmed by Four of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and the Fool. So this month is basically a month of India seeing itself as a newer version of India. It will start its journey of healing. Here it was knowing itself, starting to heal and making homemade apps, right? That whole process has started altogether anyways. It will finally take its shape in terms of working by February, because it's a lot of internal working, and also a lot of practicality is required, because January definitely stirred up things that people would want to know. But now the whole idea is, now since things are being put across towards jobs and money and starting afresh, so we'll start considering that whatever we thought in January, probably there are other things that are more important. So this February month is again a month of balancing, resting, listening, and stabilizing the public matter. So government will be more involved into stabilizing the the public matters, and starting afresh, with newer opportunities around. So, and this was further confirmed and added upon by this card. So this card is of Lord Shiva, transcendence. So basically, government will be able to transcend the limitations that public or other maybe foreign countries, or this economic matter, or corona, or maybe opposition party also. So the government will be able to transcend that limitation that will be imposed by others. So it's a beautiful card. It actually talks about winning over one's own limitations. Okay, so there's a leap of faith here, because you see here, Fool is there. It doesn't know where it has to go, but it is taking a leap of faith because it trusts the path of dharma. It trusts the path of thinking positive and transcending its limitations. So a newer version, we'll be able to see a newer version in kind of 3 months time. So I think only this month we need to keep our patience, really trust and stay positive, bring out our creativity, support the country as much as possible, so that in February we can see a better version of and take a leap of faith and restart the journey. So there are innovations also. This whole thing, this card also talks about, not just talks about transcending the limitations, but it is also talking about innovation. So I'm sure during these 3 months we are going to see a lot of innovations happening, maybe in the medical field in terms of healing, maybe in terms of some IT matters, wherever possible. So that is a very good sign in just 3 months time. So I hope this reading helped all of you to know a bit about India. Let's see how it unfolds. Thank you for watching this video. Do share it with your patriotic friends and let me know your comments and feedbacks. Thank you. Bye bye. That's all for today. Thank you.